Hi, I'm Brian Smith, Senior Pastor of Trinity Wilmette. When Ann Mason moved here, she was newly single and starting over, but she found warmth, connection, and comfort at Trinity Wilmette. As her faith deepened through worship, music, and the choir, Trinity became her spiritual home. And today, Ann sees new people, new energy, and a bright future for our congregation. Her story reminds us that stewardship is worship, an opportunity to give our time, gifts, and resources so that others can also find a sense of joy, belonging, and communion with God. So take a moment to read Ann's reflection and then use your generosity to transform lives.